Kent Rail Observer, numerous trains here. Now here in intro to Teynham Station level crossing in Kent Rail Observer. Start with here. Right, name Teynham level crossing. OS grid reference Tango Quebec 956631. Local control point, that number.
And I'm filming on my
1233.
on my birthday.
LEDs. Talk to us. Right, back of the lights, Yo's alarm. Crossing was installed a few years for that. Okay, this is Barry. It's dated the 6th of March 2011 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and a bit. Warning, limited clearance. You've got rubber. You've got trail crossing plant with wooden wooden pallet anti-trespass guy. There's a big warning: do not trespass on the rail. Penalty £5. We'll just do them. I'll just read them. There's the information. Pause to read. You've got 47 miles and 79 chains. Let's phone that number. Okay, this is the 6th of This is 6th of April 2011. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is that an arm? Look like an arm.
They look, yeah, I think they are. Right. It's back of these lights on the bracket. Front of them. Right. Teynham. Tickets via level crossing. Platform 2. The trains to Faversham, Margate, Ramsgate, Canterbury, East and Dover Priory. Platform 1 via level crossing. Sittingbourne, Chatham, Bromley South and London Victoria. Set free access. Set free access via level crossing. Platform 1 ticket office. There's that again. And that. These LEDs behind the fencing. Warning, do not trespass on the rail. Penalty £200. That's an old British Rail one. Warning, do not touch drive rail. Land sheriffs. Back of the lights with Yo's alarm. You've got trail crossing plants with wooden anti-trespass guide. As it would be. That there. Back of these fences. That's the front of them. That's that again. Got the bridge here. Now this crossing is on the line from. You've got some steps here, and these are the stairs. Right. We'll do the. This is on the line. This is on the Kent coastline between Ramsgate and Dover Priory, Faversham to Victoria, and Gillingham. That was towards Ramsgate, Dover Priory via Faversham, Canterbury East, Canterbury East and Margate again. That was towards London Victoria via Bromley South, Chatham and Gillingham.